Okay, dear students, we're very pleased to be able to talk about another subject in Grammar Sunrise 10. Today we will be talking about past continuous. Sunrise 10. Unit 2, lesson 2. Of course, it is page 19. Today we are talking about past continuous. Past continuous. Let's see first, when do we use past continuous? We use past continuous when we were at the middle of doing an action in the past. We use past continuous when we were at the middle of doing an action in the past. Of course, the action started, but it didn't complete. We were at the middle of doing the action. We have got statement form. Statement form. It is like we need to have subject plus was and were. If it was positive, if it was negative, we only add not to the sentence. And after that, because we talk about continuous, then we need to have verb ing and then complements. The verb should be, in present continuous, we said we need to have subject is are plus verb ing, but is we have past. So is present, was is past, are is present, where is the past form. It's very close. When we talk about the rule, it's very close to present continuous, but they are in the present form. Now was and were in the past form. For the subject is like I, he, she, it. We need to have was. For we, you, and they, we need to have were. Right? Now let me give you examples. They were playing football. I was making a cake. Sarah was or were, of course we have to say was. Sarah was reading, let us say, the novel. Another example, for example, you, let us change to negative form. You were not. You were not helping them. Let me give another example, another question. Let us say, let us say Ahmad watches TV. I will say, change it to Let's say change to past continuous. Past continuous, it means make it past continuous. For past continuous, the first thing we need to have is the subject. Where is the subject? Of course, Ahmad is the subject. We say Ahmad. For past continuous, we need to have either was or were according to the subject of the sentence. For Ahmad, we need to have was. After was and were, we need to have verb ing. So watches is a verb. So we need to make the base form. We say watch. Then verb should be ing form. So we say Ahmad was watching TV. It is used to talk when we were at the middle of doing an action. تماشات اختابين خوش الله past continuous بكارينين بقصة كن درباري كارك اما لنا وراستي انجام داني كارك ابوين لرابر دودا they were playing football اوان يعني توبيني عن ذكرت يعني دس يعني بيكردبو بس طاو نبوبون ذكرت I was making a cake كيكم دروس ذكرت ذكرت دسم بيكردبو بلام طاو نبوبون Sarah was reading the novel Sarah رومانكي دخويندوا دسي بيكردبو بلام طاو نبوبو You were not helping them تو يارمتي اوان نددا يعني لو انا كار اشترت كردبي ايش اشترت كردبي يعني ايشەکە دەست پێ کردو بەڵام کۆتایی پێ ناتوە لە ناوەڕاستی ئەنجامداری کارەکە بووین ئەوە زۆرجا کاتێک بەکارێنین کە کارێکی بەدوا دەدێ مەسەڵەن ئەڵێ چی I was playing football when you called me يعني من تۆ پێم دەکرد کە تۆ پەیوەندیت پێوە بکرد I was walking with my friends when the accident happened يعني لەگەڵ ڕەفیقانم پیاسەم دەکرد کاتێک ڕووداوەکە حادثەکە ڕوویدا يعني پاس کۆنتینیۆ زۆرجا وەختێ بەکارێنین کە کردارێک کە ئاکشنێک کە چالەکێکەکەی لەگەڵدا دێت تەمان لەوانەکانی ترا دێمە سەر ئەوە لە چ کاتێک کە ئاکشن و چالەشتر بهات چۆن پاس کۆنتینیۆس بەکاربێنین Only the statement form is like the subject was were and verb ing. Of course, with was there should be I, he, she, it, and with were there should be we, you, they. If it was positive, if it was negative, we only add not to was and were يعني كتابين خوش فرقكش لقل لروي رزمانه فرق لقى present continuous يلا present continuous مع subject is are plus verb ing چونکە ئێمە continuous هەمیشە باسی continuous کرد يعني verb ing لەوێ present بوو وتمان is are لێرە pasta is ئەبێتە was و are ئەبێ بە were that was the statement form. Now we move to talk about the question form of past continuous. Question form. For question form, we need to have was and were at the beginning of the sentence. If it was positive, if it was negative, then we only add not. After was and were, we need to have subject. And after the subject, we need to have the verb in ing form. Question mark. If it was the question form. Of course, if we have WH questions like when, where, what, why, we only add them with the beginning of the sentence. يعني قطع خوشويس طبعا question form past continuous was were then pair subject was were subject plus verb in ing form. أجر WH كمان هبو like when, where, what, why, we only put them at the beginning of the sentence. For example, let's say they were traveling to London. Question. Change it to question, for example. I said change it to question. We have to say, what do we have there? So we have to say where. After where, we have to have the subject. They is the subject. Were they? And after the subject, we need to have the verb in ing form. Here we have got the verb in ing form. Were they traveling? Were they traveling? اگر بموێ ئەگەر بمەوێ WH بۆ زیاد کەم. Where ئەڵێم where were they traveling? ئەلێرە بڵێم were they traveling ئایا ئەوان گەشتیان دەکرد؟ ئەگەر بمەوێ بزانم بۆچێ گەشتیان دەکرد ئەڵێم where were they traveling? Was she studying hard? Was she studying hard? Were you, for example, were you helping them? ئەگەر WH غان بڵێم کەی تۆ یارمەتیانت دەدا ئەڵێم when were you helping them? تۆ کەی یارمەتی ئەوانە دەدا؟ ئەگە بڵێم لەکوێ یارمەتیان دەدا ئەڵێم where were you helping them? Where were you helping them? یعنی ئەگە WH قانمان هەبوو تەنها لە سەرەتای وەسوێرەکە زیاد دەکەین لە حاڵەتی پرسیاریە. That was the question form for the past continuous. It is very easy. If we only change is, or to was and were, then we would have the past continuous. We said present continuous is used to talk about an action which is happening right now or at the time of speaking, but past continuous is used to talk about an action in the past when we were at the middle of doing the action. فرقی بینی past continuous و present continuous بوو. تا دەرسێکی تر وانەیە تر بێک دەگەینەوە خواتان لەگەڵ.